Hello, agus fáci hiag na seanslia mas maiid seansa glaú glaciad na seanslia is sé hiú go le cheada agus buistí a ggóil an camera just ag tiispan an chud buir do char because an bun go thomlan briste in é an deir seachting a bhí ógam sa hall in Manchester ach buistí marrás basically pí amháin agus man seo fásta lemhuid cóleachir lemhuid cairide ar dúspair tá seo le aine bhuiir aine go mar tú.
Ja, tá faoi siúr an goúir tú briste hí mé fa chunne second grotú go rá grotú go le nocht ó an híléine.
Buiste gin bhil tú a gartíí
bit go bra.
Oh my god, well I can't fi lad nach mín caiú aonrod faoi go minicta an seo fásta le James ó Florida James Timmer tú.
Ja go má brasásta freisin beáil cheamse go buna ag mar chéile le aine cheams go urrá go tú go thomá nocht nuair d gin faoi. But yeah, go má Tá all banis breácht out hééis sé deir seachtainna agus actually bhí má mar an duine is smú le á I dtíobh maidin a dúna. So yeah, because bhí was ag banis brega long stint at it. Rinswal an all says ma you know what tá gur a siúl chuig an sach in gáile because bhíar mai híon thuirtáile. So hiú my own Airlán which is like probably 40-minute walk because in sach, right? Chum mar seasteach níos am gechan mar seasteach sé an ochram because mis ceap gur bháil get rule. And then chuús mu amazin ní my phone on at all. So we were like, oh, like, fuck. So, chum mar seach my laptop, chum mar find my iPhone, chum mar seach, chuirigh ma bhí sé ingáirí I West Side. It's just hiúr má an Martin, jump on my just ingáirí, I'm like, oh yeah, some phone, bed me, go back.
Agus hiúdas a bháil sa colí sin a bhíart.
Yeah.
Well, our light in your hope should high vis-a-vis art then basically that was
you being light pollution like vehicle from a distance, I tell you that. Yeah.
Sorry. Can't die if he's just
because you see, ní rá in pokey na brístí, so bhí like shorts a cha faoi poker, so obviously bhí me gur mo phone all agus there chum am láb she's obviously fling am my phone agus nervy mar hindus there's no turning back in it, so just chuig mar plowing on.
Seobhar nach dtigam faoi lads nuair tá siad olta nach bhain siad taxiáile bín suirt gá acu siúl a hanat bínar thu siúl bháile suirt le goil siad gíomhar daganna I don't know, trying to prove themselves nuair dagan mar sin.
It's straight white male privilege like Ashlish.
I mean yeah, tá sin an cumáid mar ní hádáin me haon riomh déine sin.
Oh, freshen to really get like €20 high taxi driver where you know that's none of it in the deepest, darkest corners of your mind. Like sure,
actually, agus you know, vi stone cold sober ring mission would Kierna or he Jadoni like chat Wallace and Failishin because the trams in Acula and HV which is Acula Old Trafford agus hí trams on, but dúirte, dúirtin rud go bheith ghlacha like fí much tú an bháile or eile like an etro móile agus bhí like scuine like disgusting like choáda and then dúirte go like cearcha much like shul, and I was like, well, it's basically going to be in Kieran, so I might as well just touch my shul. Agus sin fásta sin there were when bhí signalogum, you're wearing signalogum is tí sa féile. So I was like, okay, the signal basically crushgéala I need to let them know that go my beag go fáil.
Yeah, when they're like was it like a girl math on? I think the bod like lad math, as in like was that the taxi on the hook is 10 math, agus if it's €50, no, that's on the shoe for free, like carachan math, agus like neither to like awkward small talk about the taxi driver and that. So yeah. It's like an no-brainer really, like
it's Cape and Gade and a Wallert or girl math, because girl math is like Tá má hon airgad seo caiithú ach má dhéanam an sais like mental gymnastics seo Jenny seo go bhfuil seo actually séar an asce, má caiithim like €600 or tickety Taylor Swift, but má Jenim tafid ar chud is mód an ceolchorm then
Yeah.
You know, it's basically
Yeah.
Sear Nashi because it's film or a rash or a reach is a reach. Like
Yeah.
Dusa, never miss a goal hig WrestleMania. People like, okay, well, my Kaihu like I think it's Jerry Kaima like either in Thurs Omlan Kaima better Mila, yeah, Kate and Mila 3K they're in Thurston. But I was like, but ní Roma ag ahan ella WrestleMania ella ó bhíama mar fan. Agus sin like Shapley and Jake. So really, tá má saoil airad ar gach blian nar chuaim go WrestleMania. So basically bhí sé Sear an asce. Ach an Waller the girl math lads math where it's like, okay, well, I can €50 caiú agus be swallow check one or Sear an asce and ghlacha se a wadníos fudge be má wadníos thusa
Yeah.
be má choman shocky, but gan éon airgad caiú.
Tá tú like, oh yeah, tá an go bháil in níis agus taxiáil a bhís €50 nó tá an fánacht
Yeah.
chéad finte eile bham and
Yes.
then go bháil and it's the same.
Hoculum €50 caiúr taxi ná fannig má úr eile go dtí gotá sin a Nightlink agus an sin jo cai má €1 ar mus.
Yeah.
Ag dúirt hiú é tá go jelly I lig síos ag male privilege. Mar
Oh,
an girl mathing sin na haigi me €50 ach be mé sáhailte agus ní bheith mo híl omlaid Christa. So we go
Yes.
kind of durcha sin.
Go home man.
Ach fu é gna dúirtas an sin faoi na cáilní ceolchoirmeacha Taylor Swift I tafad 100. Rinne tusa go leor tafad is caiim ra an deir seachna an search spam a thug tú doing ar Instagram.
Spam. How dare you? The one ahaling assault as an hardcore punk of your sister.
Yeah, but I can exactly differentiate all. KV Taylor Swift was Kane Achra. Me all was that we just go great for the fish on with you fecal. You know, Taylor,
angle, different angle,
hard punk rock as you might like. Oh yeah, I don't think you've been Paramore.
Vibe Kierna.
But yeah, by vibe Kierna you mean maybe a 2% same vibe. Because we do on Kierna mental.
Lightly mental, yeah. We should just get the book. Oh my god! But in fucking a nightmare of Yogum Dul Shear though, because Halma the ban away from a really Gary Ekal. I was Halma like could just mow the sets actually to wear Ryanair. I was like, being flight, be shot delayed. But we should delayed like via one mature like Labhraíonn. I was like, okay, that's grand. I'm still like just about anyway. But Dirkma, if an am a Dirk was taking off, I was Mrs. Gefalik see Dublin Airport. A Gurker and Echelon Ella if he namsavek flag or Suller row Majinga flag, and I was like, this is just not happening. Like Nishla entirely. And then you were calling like Miley towards the shot. It was just like a nightmare. But being failish and I the McCrae is still. Ag bhí candle much courage agus like couple can courage agus dúirte that is my worst nightmare and what's it to make?
Yeah, do so yeah, 100%. Agus an word to buile arbí an word to gurtu.
Let's see. And the final count I think we must meet you Rasher was 3 kicks in A kick more Sawalug land a couple of dinarm but like your hitchma agus in sin bhí like thingy just like a caiú like a linear or whatever, but not like in etch like raw dantra. So from a shot away into the sun and I had to like double check now Roja burst it. But other than that,
Tá inar ná the could spakely burst it.
Dí má caiú contact.
Oh, smart.
Dirk má cho defriúil like
yeah bhí
like near aithná aon ma agus mé sin like bhí má literally like bhí má siúlthart and mar seo like which is weird. Like ní moilum sa seo. Okay,
it's not you, you know.
That's what I mean. That's Michigan. It's because my caiú gluniu bhí má shapely on the each, sharply on the each. So like there's a whole. I think gur desma a hard to be honest. Like I think I'm just designed like gluniu arm. Agus so no bhí má army the caiú yeah. Agus bhí like man bag begugum faste. Le mod stuff for father see on my power bank agus le my phone agus bhí se
well prepped.
Very well. Bhí actually an agrithe except for
I gra just land on too.
Well dearthing bhí an agrithe cé gur chailma chud is mód an active bhí gar chud is mód but ní I don't think what níl lucht arms sin that's fine there sin against him.
James, I don't know ar bhí tusa sin ar an deir seachna ach bhí sort FOMO níl a bheith ag Taylor Swift as níl a bheith ag hardcore punk just le bheith ag féile nó ceolchoirm agus bhí Glastonbury ar siúil cumáid bhí longitude ar siúil bhí Shania
God.
bhí Broad ar siúil and I was like jeez well bhí leatú a bhí géirí bheith maiile lí an deir seachna sin as bhí leatú bhí rá buchas le dí nachhfuil me maiile lí an deir seachna seo. Cé bhéad míle duine hanig ag an gahar an deir seachna scáte?
Oh, like during like let million budget probably because either like Park and Croaky vi shall line
Yeah, na
what
Clean
an Aviva vi shall line and tree here you know abroad vi should like couple of kids Mila you know ik chat Swiss Lion Moorhill
Marley Park couple of
Marley Park long Saw Doctors
yeah
Jedward at Vicar Street I feel like we have to acknowledge Fosta
Shania who's Seansálaithe
like in makes and stuff got array agus bhí an bhí Dublin bus like ná much her in servicey Ella or show
what
like what are you talking about like literally a Jerry Shock thing like bhí mar cancela far taxi fi seo or Ben don't no not ní donna ma can thing again free or whatever but I'd say grosh an níos gríthe ná nálag as in like leis an nálag tugging a handing and like you know the handing you see car but like that's imacht the Wayne this was like Nikita imachti all war a tarlu an am Kieran even if you like nervy like and Europa League final shot like we should obviously more but Euroshanat Echo Wayne Sinaviva Taylor Swift treaty his Sinaviva Dingy Tashel o Chimple and Don Neil Wang as like the cheer the bunch of Europa when the club will be bunch in Europa like we should just crazy we should mental made of other
Ar an duna cai gur daoine campáil.
I think the arms of Sean I think a couple of you see my camera so vi man shot
Oh really?
I think yeah handing on the wall because we couple of snacks fuck do because a couple of treat
A céir híl sibse faoi ahan scéal Instagram a chuní sibh ó ceolchoirm Taylor Swift. An taon rud óhí mis sinna okay ba bhrealam Paramore eáil.
No to be honest bhí mis rá dá mar sean sam ticket á le ichta dúna bhah má 100% mé 100%.
Okay.
I thought go brand unbelievable. Scéalt má clostí am faoi ceolchoirm seice bhah má 100% bailíán.
Ach na daoine a chuí faoi go as faoi trí, you know?
I don't think go mocha aon duine am le go le, you know, chuisian.
Well, is cuma mar arcar Pauline an dar uair groí gurí gol, cheas si té mí le cótha ina lá agus fuair si ticket agus hí sin aice le clán ó Kildara.
Okay, go le, nuair éirs me dá bhah ticket am bhí má réile duine cíns rá gur ticket acús ú tú geir go lán agus stuff. Ní má gol train nu bus hús go lia ag it was at bhí me cinnarín okay le bheith bread na Euros Somála i mo chumpert in áit sin so ach don't give me wrong bhah se unbelievable bheith bailí an
bhí mé dhearfar chun mé a bhharú in sin le dearna like as in because dáfrail duine ticketí dú le ha an show agus dúir me sin no because we should like Kate a quick euro and kin and I know Grushin like
that was like a shin and going rate like shin like retail like
and made of on but I was just like nyama ho curious shin for like nyama kai tree head euro or on a journalistic endeavor basically
sin níos mar hurt a gine gofuil really a dhéirí cumá gan an siachan sin a gcuid ó gine.
So it turns out go courage me yarfar a bhfuil inta tóga le Taylor Swift nachhar tickety so nuair dirt me se seo leiche gur dáfráil thingy tickety dú agus dúir man nó dúirt you fucking eat like she human she absolutely fuming.
Oh my god. Well camera gur cuma ionta ar an production agus a hanrad I mean bhí sé what thar 3 uair léigerrád agus
3 uair go lei
3 uair go lei wow
agus like ceadatha ára an fásta
hagan si scritsta a nation.
It is show than Scott like it like Neil you know in dar agus fásta like I know go bhí anna mágu faoin na Instagram scialtaí agus faoin na posts in the yeah and like the couple things fact go with you like multiple posts faoin ceolchoirmeacha where it's like the part 1, the part 2, the part 3 or whatever.
Yeah.
What it is
but-
called the Eras Tour.
There are definitely
Or the Eras tour now everyone's in.
Tá couple of era fecha gomanis ar lína. But and rud atá, it's literally Gira Castle lumsa gal hig WrestleMania. It's just that it's goal atneoging ar bhád níos mó daoine a bhí. Like I'd say like that row, I don't know, wrestling a bhád níos caile or whatever that'd be rud like WrestleMania. I'd say inis má Éirinn seo go mé either galibh ná duna ná is these crave cans the hair like my 1 inch like by feed sugging go humman línie la jersey pullers and la daoine like the shots of Croke Park and like the just beware or and the daoine tá lance tanna. So I think sin a flag or gur wohi shar and those that it was just everywhere. Because like when you to like the Garth Brooks and Shaw like tree in the A hella faster a Park of Roki like gig arguably ní smó na Taylor Swift because I know sugman and Nelasugum and capacity of the Sinaviva like a Russian made kind of Crow Park like
No,
in the park.
So Crow Park one is smooth like
so gig ní smó like objectively it charmy everha gig ní smó Nero Majinga Flacal like in the poster fad because ní Haitian the size thingy a tamaging last.
Yeah, it's a niche group at Tagdol, come on.
Yeah.
But fresh and also like she on Kyoto's call you it down. You should show that see here. He was bound to when you're a 5 hours low.
I mean, there she now had pointe agus filme ma ekum dausor seki a bakil leading Egypt or one ella.
You leave Cam alone.
I thought you Shasna and Shomer.
A camera and something that
you leave Cam alone.
Yeah, I wasn't here for that. Just an raw a leg ar na scéalta was getting a bit much. He might go to das festas daoine echa as a hundred reduce, but na bhí daoine dul hinne as a gur scéalta céin in arja. I was like, come on.
Much housemates, right? Ihe na ine. We should glaze the Swiss and they all, they were very, very dedicated to taking cause, whatever. And then Hershey Cash arm basically lesh na clues a bunch of ma like we like na eras different aku or in road whatever. And I was like, you're way too deep in the lore, man. Like near clue ogum se feel like an lipstick jarg, we like an cardigan or we like the company would be like I think we like Naharniva etching it whatever. Like there was like all these like the Tagarty Shaw hey discography saki whatever as Mr. Gurkar being like that is Sinead Taylor Swift can't forget that is
like an skirt of your roots
unbelievable
near hug mish for Jarag or sin Taggart the Gooneg and a Kyle Taylor he mish just geez the root go crohiok like crow and skirts August Tom be 80 ganter he and Dershachta like near Higman and Taggarty of your winner or be that's how out of touch I am.
Walk to be like a VIP box on agus bhí Graham Norton is the agus chuiding le caiith friendship bracelet higa agus landa se is beor siga like landa bhí pinta agus landa le friendship bracelet is these pinta
agus céin sort reaction bhí aige
just hashtag like we should like
on that friendship place is just a beer like you shouldn't go beer.
Yeah.
Ní credim grow Stevie Nicks agus Julia Robertson agus Kayla.
Bhí Travis motherfucking Kelsey.
Travis Kelsey
in Monaclea agus an episode new.
Yes.
You height mo agus tá Gansey Alling rugby na Hayden Travis Kelsey.
So Kyan Travis Kelsey Gansey rugby away our podcast again and it's national news. Kyan said Gansey Pell and the lad the McHeel and there's no news articles for him said
ach Brandon should I tá mis go is kinning sound in the Swifties but
oh wow
hí Travis Kelsey hall is asna agus hoog se picture on prince on a prince agus an princess whatever it gets a fuck dain agus agus
kept up to date I like to see it
hí had to USA agus ní a tada Níor aon merch Sasnad na UK na tada. Den gáin se go éing boom, Jersey rugby na héine. Come on.
But
Idir tá sé an flathúd le Éirinn nó tá sé gimmert the second row in the Springboks de Saharing agus se gogus South Africa, but I would beg go sé just.
putting the Ra and Travis Kelce sin an sure.
No.
I kind your hasna bhí cuma ionta ar Glastonbury cumá an Jersey. I mean, tá mé idir ga chóir le maidir le an sin féile go mbeon ábalta fachane an muin hin soltas. Nuair ecinn tú an méid an slua bhíon ag na príomh ar ag an bríomhstáte. Ní me cinnte cé dúirte ar lína inné ach is Pauline actually dúirte an bhfuil tú actually bunach ag do phobal dat go fada sin hir bhfuil tú just ag garcar scanan nó bhfuil tú fiú ábalta an státe eáil mar níl cum ar gohfuil ag chud na slua bhíon ag na ceolchoirmeacha sin tá sé crackáilte.
Well, cai tú anis go gaiith tú like mata de gaiir bhéh like chun pasí like donna actí tearna hiú basic caiith invention like a rihan le agus like bhí like target on ta banicáil bhfuil dú logam son dar bhaine military gun a bhí mar ag seanim ribh sisa agus they're obviously like a hard rock like Canada like bhí Arnie Saku like snuckly WWE agus like in couple of like rudí eile agus just basically dúirte the leir set Saku they were like taking much go sibh in seo le haid sisa so da anna get ag strachelt faoi seo like we see you we appreciate you like
bhí ní an mór in the bigs is it though like wachtú bhí sé cinnaíon fála wachtú like an príomhtáte bhí sé like nírá an slua mór whatsoever.
Ní ro seach go fáda le rudí ar nós like Coldplay but like
Dua Lipa apparently she stole the show.
Yeah, but like níl aon rud go le bheith go mór le Coldplay agus Dua Lipa like faoi le haar like the bread and butter of the music industry.
A bhí complaints an le cecha fála agus bhí se go a bhí sé dorá gur Dua Lipa chumá go tá daoine like a petition anis i gceire í bheith mar an chéad acta le dhéana sa Super Bowl. Cecha má bhí si so.
Tá sí go maiid leor le dhéana. An bhaca si an slú a bhí ag nícha.
Yeah.
Banatá a bécíil get your Brits.
Ag híine go thugur máid.
Yeah, sin bhí mis
Nar tá an nás féna colú. Yeah. Tá níir sin hype sílam lo fhí láthair goil suirt. Well, níor hiic mé gro níir sin leanúint agus takeíocht docu is asna ach an go goir curiosity go maiid mar si denúir ag an nar chuúla asnaí riomh faoi hena. So just bhí cumáile sin sílam goró goir airní ag go bhéile mbliana. Just an slú chuní mé ag Lancome ag Mary Wallopers ag nícap ag leor bratacha Palestína agus Éirinn.
Sin dearchan rud le raibh dúirt stinge a bhíonn sin dúirt siad go bé like in the brat is feicile a bhíonn sin na brat na Éirinn agus brat na Palestine. And I would say I would like to wager go bé brat na Éirinn agus brat na Palestine le cheile tá chud is mó acu. But yeah,
though I think about Glastonbury unbelievable.
And made some thingy at her shot on shopping shot and I'm like, oh, my bank account came
And Dana ticket your deal and Jack and show.
I don't know. I think we should like really Zaka tickets although I think that
it's Lotto Town.
Yeah. See, like we must Tomorrowland, so that will be probably similar size to Glastonbury, like so. Yeah, well cost motion so like glass is well like Kevin and Ellen was like came in Glastonbury like bhán mbliana le Coldplay Washington just fucking mental like.
Is stoilm gur daoine ragur beanna uirfig de hiúló de ras ag de phobal agus fiú just leis an main arena ágáil go nachan sin níos móna lethúir like.
Sin nach neom sin de Saharing is bhí mar just go bháile. Huling 400 minutes like go bháil Coldplay.
So saolaí an siúlód ón airdelang gotí do hac sin an siúlód ag do phobal i Glastonbury.
Yeah, no bother. A1. Dis mar sin choliche, no worries.
Cai tú tá just a gurk ar an rud registration le ha Glastonbury. Cai tú like passport photo or hoku like and like it's like really like so like Gian like her céin dá away into it.
Get that deadline
well it's registration for Harnish and then I think it changed their deal in Mise Era but you need to like they registered like on well basically.
And
The mission,
then
the mission, I think so, yeah. Then maybe the random and chatting shot. And do you know what this massa actually? This was like violent and what the ratchet lumps and chatting shot. We couple of Carlum, we like, oh yeah, Kaimuch dull, whatever, and near chugging. And then there's a couple of Kanaku, yeah, we'll need to do it before we turn 30. And I was like, oh, nah, haber shin. Nah, haber shin.
coming in fast.
Because fi náma am neon chugging, but mis fi ocht, but si fi ní.
No, be angin fé
Be mis fé hogs. Thanks. Knocker blian le moish.
A rare. A rare. That van on, right? The Roche van on Ronu thing it leve more like you're like dream Glastonbury headliner. Okay, Ryan off.
Dead or alive?
We'll go alive first, just the fact K chance of vacuum Leon Hogan. The deep thought is real.
So really dully.
That's really dully now. Well, because in five with the Ogums are right is that the Banny Caller while I'm Sakal more headliners are probably not bands that would usually headline anything. Do you know okay for Rala Mekal Reach? Hanna made explain a good dog ratchet Foo Fighters. We shooting dog ratchet my and I think they are of the vibe leve headliners for Glastonbury.
And when kind of dini actually and he shot like Hucklumps of Fleetwood Macara da Jokuk she the rash like but good. I mean Rinne Elton John and Uriah agus vi draher le Killian vi sé dog ratchet or
Oh stop.
Yeah, as chef when Tamil like another my.
We did all the hits like the vacuum like he really like Bruce Springsteen actually the Cheshin behind time more headliner. Just like in the Shan Banishin, but also like the dingy or do you know what? I'm calling it now, right? Cha I guess chalk clip on because they her mbliana Hogan. I'm calling it now. Charlie XCX a Glastonbury more headliner. Agus mbliana Hogan ag EP Chapel Roan more headliner. I'm calling it now.
Maybe you can make Charlie XCX ag EP, come on.
Well, I mean if that announcement already in will.
Also, just saying, more Glastonbury headliner vi ma Queen struggle more. I just tipping Scoopy. We must Queen Dr. Dre.
Oh, stop, James.
Okay.
James.
Okay. That's a sweeter and like Super Bowl vibe, Shinwell.
You are speaking my language.
Glastonbury is Glastonbury is that big, like so.
Yeah,
that's like Dr. Dre, I think.
So, but another bit one. Does this make you just Dr. Dre, or that it's Dr. Dre and then it's like?
Well, like couple,
Hagen,
Eminem,
couple Kendrick Lamar,
Dre, you know, like even Drake, you know, there's like even Drake, more headliner, like with everything, like need to that you can't shake the amount of hits take fashion.
I think you can.
I think you can shake the fact he's a fucking weirdo.
A minor. We should do right. Kendrick Lamar, Drake co-headliner. That's the gauge.
They put the beef out of the way because it's just fucking man. Imagine they made Oron mental ocean. Like, that would be.
Kendrick Lamar is one of the best gigs I've ever been to in my life. We should just talk ratchet.
Kaim would Lord faoi post or Electric Picnic a hanny ma haniu.
See Mallory.
Aontas as faoi because go minic leis an Picnic Leictreach fine-tún sé headliner agus an sin ní thugad siad mat really dinner bí eile níos gura than data agus bín tú sort bín bhí mar daoine de gras. So actually tá cúpla ceann mai sa lista sin aniu. Tá mai sas faoi síimeat mar mis duna daoine nach neahí le dhéacail le Janie i Madic Lea. Tá mai buzz-off chuine Labhraíonn just a saoú muna I bar le Victoria.
Sorry, is it Johnny Logan?
Oh, sorry, yes, of course, sorry. Yeah,
Beidir go dúg sér sáte, who knows? Lancum go le bheith an, Tá mé sasfi sin mar chuní mé I Glastonbury im líana na videos agus hiún me gur bhrála mí deáil bio. Céal tan Villagers,
Cardinals, Daydreamers, Bambi Thug, Blind Boy. Here, listen. Vi Lorraine at Eurovision Fasta. We can listen whatever we can say. You know, what the between Baltar Kierna Cur Bambi Thug. We might as well torture the Lorraine Fasta. So,
I mean, it's Brala James or on Bambi Thug, not Brad James.
Famously.
No, need to use for hanging on. I'm just my go on performance unbelievable. But don't think I'm going to get it, to be honest.
Right made an orange and I think go mé crack wa head.
Branch came
It's actually, you know what? It's actually up Hughes Alley on the run. That would be like a rocker vibe, agus
I actually wasn't crazy.
Mosh pit vibe, I think.
You're almost sure crazy for near Holomai or this bar actually. Which you would think would be my kind of my vibe.
Yeah.
But actually cool the mochi so station was that the count toss the Kyle. Like
oh yes. Yeah.
The count on the green to the example there because that was
Beechwood.
kind of the
salty dog.
Not even the salty dog, the count on he's a pit. Was that
sorry.
Tommy Earl, another
yes, and that's for Brad. Body and soul.
Because like that's kind of the vibe of the
Hazelwood.
aesthetics, like
Hazelwood,
it's an aesthetic of your own, like so. I think you know cool out, but
she go there when she slew a bit of rewards and statushin. Because you're like, oh, tá she relevant to mbliana so rahim eile, yeah.
It'll be electric arena. I'm calling it.
No, it's Lorraine what she get out, but Nima should fall real excited for you because need some memo colleague electric picnic falls. So
What did you say? I'm manifesting goodbye. I'm manifesting.
Well, yeah, I thought you get a friggin' no cahan and like that's
no cahan.
No cahan.
Sorry, listen to what I read raw. Come on, just now.
Nas and thing it to Michigan so a small like that's my like because he's a legend New York rap Europe. Fair, also Kylie Minogue. But they said like Nas like that's much to us or Illmatic and Kid album together, which is fucking unbelievable. Because when I was to educate yourselves to the hog because that's a fucking unbelievable. Straight out the fucking dungeons of rap where fake people don't make it back. Another Éirinn show.
Look, she's not the electric picnic a job níos fearr mbliana nás tá gente cool bliana go nú so tá mé sásta leor leis an lineup.
Calvin Harris be a good bar person though.
Yeah, agus Teddy Swims.
Yeah. Like you made absolute bangers like Calvin Harris with pop off chin
sorry. Hey, Teddy Swims. Because we
educate yourself.
He's an enigma.
No, because we like shock thing on agus vi shop feckin'. It was like Taylor Swift. He was just feckin' ahanach. Just
clear.
Pass the door and sing it. I lose control.
Yes.
When you're not next to me. Yeah, she know and
But I wouldn't want to lose my mind. Like Nivich and I feel like we dingy gal mental high. Just a pop us was ahanach because we ahanach it just was like straight away like feel like Kate
the fish. You'd rather be his fair of a Jenny Granty.
Oh,
he's more of a sad bop though. Like
that's up your alley then, yeah.
You made Jerkus me too. Bearmsa Ferris wheel let him lean Hugh Bearmsa Linustad the James earn Ferris wheel.
Oh yes. I guess do you know what? Bear to chat lumsa hig no weird gigs faster like Sadai or Hannick James lumsa. I think about
enjoy that.
James, please not kind of modern. The name's Killy Dollartig Kiltry Narcona Madrid for you.
By Aberdeen.
The Kelly Charlotte take Teddy Swims now bed on fire.
That's your hot take.
No, it's just
it's fact.
I think it's just fact, yeah.
Undisputed.
Yeah.
To Masul Gomorlash, I'm to Silugum when you are just confused out of your mind and you've been like, Kane Fa, why are we here? Like Kajeta got a rage, like
sad emo music.
No, cards.
No.
James Lum.
Good already, not like sad emo. If you just really playing freaking weird.
And wait.
By Hammer Diagod. I'm telling you, listen. Chuck it in the wallet le boas agus tishkin nua or kill nachro og Rio. Sinead plan at Ogumanish is to really expand your palette.
James, please now be gimmer to Derek Shackleton.
No, to my definitely gimmer to Derek Shackleton, but depends on law.
Came live, that's in road.
Yeah.
It's so funny. It's so funny. I'm telling you this, bitch. Be Amar Doigov. Gallum Divinish. Come Amar Doigov. I swear this to you. Absolutely.
Okay.
You look apprehensive. Slightly apprehensive. And then sure listen, well I could have been giggle faster. Your father giggle faster, so. Let's
the Exeter should have been like
We're busy boys. And nation is just mental, really, to be honest. Because all points east Ogun chatting nation, which is fail in London. High LCD sound system, Arish.
Flaciún na Éirinn ar siúil ar tar nám céanna mai.
Flaciún na Éirinn nám céanna, the Mary from Dunlow Festival. Ar fan nám céanna.
Jesus, can't miss that.
Kai shib she chat low. You just have to come up like Mary from Dunlow. Tasha.
Cén dáta mí John?
It's in Kedge, Jerry shafting the me Lunasa.
Céidir seachtainna.
Yeah. Bangkok.
I'll be flying high. Flying high Toronto, baby doll.
It's
Baby doll.
Baby doll, I'll be flying high in Toronto.
It's Mrs. Baby doll, James, in fairness.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Súlainn seachtain se bud seachtain se hóga. But fucking watch yourself.
Sorry. I will doing a hun the Canuck, you know, the half and half Gansy hit.
No.
Ew, the rank.
Piss off.
Ring Misha Betla than you.
Imagine Gansy doing all of that.
Okay. Sorry. Maroon 5, calm down.
Okay. Ceist agus bí unric.
Bí unric.
Ní cheapan éidir agse gur Gansy doing all ní na Gansy na Gaillimhe, and that you cannot even say goin.
Ní cheapan na James. Pesa go me. I know go se níos fair na Gansy na Gaillimhe.
Oh, sorry. Fucking Kivy designer that fucking rings his fucking snatchbug besach na fucking tissue because Randy there. Oh, there'll be two good colours.
Sorry now, James. You're also going to few go of wint and their chocolate gotcha.
Yeah. Gotcha noch a mbliana.
Get off your high horse there for a second.
Yeah.
Was like that is quietly confident.
90 years of quiet confidence.
It shouldn't be all that room with denied to creeve card. Like it was that you know it's tan creeve Ari Gomor or vi on is in the blintation. Was that the case blade chinko vi connacht de rotar ag vi guarantee or gro block lia go Leinster rotar. Ni hinach vi in the blintation. Vi killed Argoma, vi condemn goma. You know, the Lord is talu, you know. The Lord is talu or we doing all equally kind of the hair.
James, there's some good yarn to a couple of stretchings and sort of before you made that reach, because that was desperate.
Grat why hele Cretan Sus so doesn't
Jerry Manish, okay, right. Derma thing I said it Derma thing against the DMs because Jerry my erasure and pod just to really make myself accountable, right? Derma da ma bhfuilin Gaillimh dúna ná go tamachon Gansy na Gaillimhe cheannacht. No, God no. Nima crackete. No, tamachon Gansy got na Gaillimhe a caiú.
Oh, tú go cheannacht Gansy's ass. Oh, poor me.
It's a fate worse than death, James, to be honest. Agus Jenny ma hil galhin clúige. Michigus this James Rahamachig in Ireland finally hell it.
Oh,
agus me screaming for Gaillimh.
Be law man. But like you know, thing is ending in I think is doing all like that. Just it would be so sweet like that.
Oh my god. Agus obviously James ma Boylan did now Gaillimh then bit to Canada Gansy did now, of course, absolutely. Shouldn't know.
Was it in the betchen?
Jenny mission batch Jirach and ish.
Ach, wat is already cannacht? Let din elle.
Can it joi ma jachen.
No. Bear Gansy Charu count from her. That's
deal.
Okay.
You're gonna look great in yellow, man. Bit the girl.
Unbreakable vow in it. We mission I was here to witness.
Yeah, exactly. Cosla banish. Yes, more thing you be to verify. Obviously think you get obviously. But yeah, I think shouldn't punch my Leictreach curlash because otherwise this could escalate pretty ghastly.
So it be the hills are doing all the means it doing all chasam or ruin to the Crow Park.
So bechaart that me, but never once the All Ireland final cast it fucking Hall of Fame, love the script and orange masses don't.
Oh, that's good. So because if you're gonna draw fucking the hills are that's a good fucking song.
I think it's a banger, absolute banger. It's an absolute banger.
But like,
anyway,
can't beat the fucking versus clutch on in 17. Come on.
Anyway, right. Chinda shop because I'm going to bankrupt myself in my malorny smo. Gur minimize geisha London chance of image rash or reach chat hugging la eagrán ur. Acquisitions fair lingo last or the man hosted them which are Shansly or Instagram, Shansly or Twitter, Shansly or YouTube. That's your favorite Latin fish on Ekel, like say the Ekel Fosta or Spotify. Akmat to Spotify already then Tesla and Hanafin. Matt Gary any Amsterdam host that more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, as anywhere or TikTok. As Gary James Amsterdam host there's more Flower Talk or Instagram, Flower Talk or Twitter, as Flower Talk or TikTok. As Matt the Gary Mahan Amsterdam hosted them more Hugh Carr your Instagram, Hugh Carr your Twitter, I was just grab Hugh Carr or TikTok in Rud. Game flog alnish solar change is just la I radio idir hinig is a gar it's Éirinn leis an show nu at mbliana so bit gas like agus yeah sin bis then but so chair chatting it biggie moi and if you can't be good at it ratchets I have no idea Mr. Walter live shop right. But he's also shopping it. I've been grass chatting. I got nervous shots. Slime.